Imagine waking up in paradise. Welcome to a prestigious estate in Majorca, where luxury and tranquility meet. From the moment you arrive, you'll be impressed by the grandeur of this estate. A vast property, wooded gardens of pine trees and other species offer you an incredible view of a calm and enchanting landscape. Step inside and discover luxurious rooms to furnish to your taste with refined finishes. The living spaces are spacious and bright, and the bedrooms and bathrooms are designed with exceptional attention to detail. Prestigious features such as lounges and living rooms with views of the Mediterranean complete your stay. This estate boasts an ideal location, close to Majorca's beautiful beaches, charming villages, and some of the best golf courses in the world. Enjoy a life of elegance and relaxation in this magnificent and peaceful place. To learn more or visit this estate, contact us today. Discover this estate with Carpe Diem by LS, your haven of luxury and nature in Majorca.